anyway, highway, ito na po ang ating Byahe Sender of the night. This was sent to me actually, weeks ago. So, I hope siya ay nangangailangan pa rin ng payong ito. Sa dami siguro na nagpapadala sa atin, I'm trying to backtrack as far as I can para ma-accommodate naman natin yung ibang tao. So, anyway, highway, this was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito na po ang biyahe ng buhay ni May. Hi DJ, I'm May, 22 years old from Butuan City. I just want to ask your thoughts about this DJ. Kaka-graduate ko lang po kasi ng kursong BA Communication. After nung graduation, marami nang nagsusulputan sa aking isipan. If what to do next. Didiretsuhin ko na po DJ Lala. Gusto ko pong kumuha ng master's degree. Kaso, parang may mga interventions. Gusto kasi ng mga pamilya ko or gusto ng aking pamilya na mag-law school daw ako kung papalaring makapasok. Pero kasi DJ, hindi ko kasi pinlinano mag-law, although hindi ko naman po sinasara ang possibilities na itry ito. Right now, I'm uncertain with my decision. Salamat po sa pagbasa and sana po matulungan niyo ako. Well, my love, this is a classic tale or classic story of a person na dahil hindi mo din naman alam yung gusto mo, yung family mo is suggesting an alternative decision for you. So, ang keyword natin dito ay suggestion. Hindi ka naman siguro nila kino-coerce or fino-force to make that decision na pumasok ng law school, and sabi mo nga, hindi din naman sarado sa isipan mo yung pagtaray sa law school. So I do not see anything wrong if you will exactly do what they want you to do. Try. Wala namang masama eh. Sabi mo hindi mo isasara yung pinto or di mo sinasara yung pinto, wala ka pa rin namang plano, hindi mo pa din naman alam yung gusto mo, and yet alam mo lang sa sarili mo gusto mong magkaroon ng master's degree. So, might as well try mong mag-law school. Wala namang mawawala sa'yo. If not, if ever na magustuhan mo yun, you will gain a lot more. Alam mo naman na medyo some kind na may kakulangan tayo sa mga nagpe-practice ng law sa Philippines, o diba? At saka, ewan ko, for some reason talaga, it gives a different pride sa family kapag meron sila nitong merong gumagraduate sa kanila sa law school, may mga nagiging attorney, may nagiging doctor, o diba? Alam mo, my love, I'll let you in on a secret. If there's two frustrations I have in my life, one, yung top of the list is to be a surgeon. Gusto ko talaga maging doktor. Gusto ko maging surgeon. Pero dahil nga yung hirap ng buhay back then, I know within myself, we cannot afford a medical school. So, hindi ako nag-medicine. Pumasok ako sa MASCOM. Kasi wala naman gaanong gastos dito. So, napagplanuhan ko na yung buhay ko doon eh. Doon ako sa kurso kung saan hindi masyado magastos. And two, gusto kong kumuha ng abogasya. Just because when I was in college, I used to hang out with my friends na from political science yung course, or political science yung course. Mga pol-sci sila. So, a lot of them are very exposed sa law. And I fell in love sa law. So, parang those are the two professions na medyo frustrated ako to become. One is a doctor and the other is an attorney. And I know within my heart, if ever nagagawin ko siya, I know I can make my parents so proud. They will jump up in joy. Ganon. So, going back to you, my love, kung wala ka pa namang plano, and susuportahan ka naman nila sa paglolo mo, I suggest you take it. But ganito yan, my love. If you think na it will be a lot of pressure sa'yo, kasi taking up law school is not that easy. I have a lot of friends as well na nag-take up ng law school, and I know how hard it is for them. I know how hard yung kumbaga yung nagiging tedious nilang pag-aaral ng batas in order to be an attorney. So, if you think na hindi ka fully committed, 100% in mind and in heart, na into it, siguro sa first, sabihin na natin, glance mo dun sa syllabus, sa magiging program, sa magiging, sabihin na natin, subjects, or magiging kurso ng takbo ng whole law experience mo. then my love, I suggest you take your time muna. Bigyan mo muna ng oras yung sarili mo, mag-browse ka muna sa internet. Try to learn as much as you can in each and every corner of every masteral degree there is. Saka ka mag-decide kung alin doon yung kukunin mo. Kasi my love, yung law school, one is not for everybody. That one I know. And two is not for someone na half-hearted. I think if I'm doing this and I'm believing this right, based on the people na nakita ko nag-take up ng law school, if hindi ka 100% committed to it, then do not dare to enter. Kasi mahirap siya at kailangan niya ng commitment in order to get through it. So, yun lang my love siguro, no? As of the moment, use your time wisely. Huwag kang magmadali. This is your future. So, meron kang karapatan to take as much time as you can in order to decide kung ano yung magiging next step mo sa buhay. Pero, all I'm saying is there's nothing wrong with law school. If not, it's really beneficial kapag ginawa mo to or kapag dun mo pinaagos yung kurso ng buhay mo. There's nothing wrong with that, and that's kind of a job that I don't know, for me lang, I think has no age limit. As long as you can perform, kahit by the age of 60 ata yan, or by the age of 70, as long as sharp pa din yung utak mo at naiintindihan mo pa rin yung batas, I think you can still practice law. So, there's really nothing wrong kapag yan yung kurso na tinahak mo, okay? Pero for now, just don't be pressured in life, my love. If you need more time to study it, if you need more time to think about it, give it to yourself. I'm sure yung pamilya mo is not trying to pressure you, but trying to suggest or give you an alternative decision or suggest an alternative decision na pwede mong kunin since ikaw na mismo ang nagsabi, hindi mo pa lubos na nauunawaan at naiintindihan at hindi mo pa lubos na na-figure out which way to go. So they are just trying to help. Do not take it negatively. I'm sure they are just concerned about you and they just want nothing but the best for you. Claro? Claro.